This is a quick session to see how do we capture the locator values for Appium automation using the Appium server. Basically, how do we use the object inspector in the Appium server. So to start with, we'll start the Appium server, which is already installed. You can download and install it in your machine, and once it is downloaded, you can open it and start the server. So I've just started the server. The first button is for Object Inspector. I'm just starting the inspector session. While the inspector session is starting, I will just see if ADB devices are connected. So I do ADB devices to see that the device is connected using USB cable as well as using Wi-Fi. So here I am going to use the desired capabilities in this object inspector session to make a connection to that particular app in my Android device. So I'll just copy paste some of the desired capabilities which I have already saved. You can fetch all these details from your Android device going into the setting tab, and just make sure your developer option in your Android device is enabled. If it is not enabled, if you don't see that option, you can click 7 times on the build number and the developer option gets enabled automatically. Post that, you just have to go inside and enable the USB one. So here I am just copy pasting. It will take 20 to 30 seconds for me to copy paste all these into this. UDID. These all details you can fetch. UDID is the one which you can see while you do ADB devices. You can copy paste that. Then device name can be fetched from the Android device itself in the settings. Platform, you can put it as Android. Platform, just keeping it as Android. And then the last two, app package and app activity, these two are basically related to that particular app where you are going to record it. So I'm just using the native app, the calculator app in the Android device itself. So I'm just fetching that value and putting it here. For getting this value, you can install something called App Info in your Android device. The last one to go. Put the value. Okay. And post this, I start session. When I click on start session, it will show the Android device with that particular app open, and we can go and click on the items or the elements on the app and then see the locators. So if you see, the calculator app is already loaded. So if I go to an element, it will give me the attributes, the X path also, the ID. These all things can be taken in from here, and I can write my code like this. Here, driver dot find element, and then I can copy paste that string from, let's say, here. Copy this, paste it here, and then I can select it because this is a button, so I can click. Okay, so this is how we can find the locators from any an app in the Android device and do your coding. Thanks for watching.